So, usually ngayon, pinapahirapan natin lahat. Bago kami mag-entry sa fashion couture or sa ready-to-wear, meron kaming trailer. And I thought of this because I don't really believe anybody's done it. But aside from that, ang likot ng isip ko talaga. Hindi talaga ako mapakali. At ayoko one day, pag matanda na ako, anong gagawin ko sa mga hindi ko nagawa sa utak ko? So, yun ang ginawa namin. First, it was The Devil Wears Prada. Then this time, it was Thriller. Basically, it was a connection from Milan. Na-deads kami sa pagod. Now we rise from the deads. And we're ready to fight again.
So they also have like Just Married, This Is Perfect, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Brad Pitt, and they also have Something Blue, and you can make it shorter.
Yes.
I love it. But it's just The Great Gatsby is one of my favorite books, and Pride Prejudice. Pero choose two only tayo. It even matches what I'm wearing today.
So, this season, medyo hubadera ako. But, actually, in the past, kasi parang feeling ko ngayon lang talaga nila nakikita lahat. In the past, nagaganon ako because you have to also be versatile. It's not na pinipilit ko. I have my limits. But whatever I feel comfortable wearing or I feel like it boosts my confidence, minsan din kasi nasa nagdadala na sa styling. And we are very secure. That's the secret of it all. After nito, wala na talaga akong maitatago. For example, the Schiaparelli dress na sobrang see-through. Ang una pa namin dyan, naglagay kami ng stockings na parang balat. Tapos then you put the thong on top, but then hindi maganda. So I said, okay, you know what? Let's just put a normal, seamless lang na panty na sobrang balat lang. And then, sa ilalim nun, kasi it's just a tape. So, kita pa rin. So, ang sabi ko, you know what? Meron akong extra earrings na mukhang earrings siya na gold. Ipapuncture natin yung silicone, tapos may tape ako na beauty tape sa ilalim. Ilalagay natin sa above, pero bawal akong ihag. Kasi pag hinag ako, pak! Duguan. Alam mo yung tips ko? Dalhin nyo na lahat ng tape, lahat na ng silicone, dalhin nyo na. It's better to overpack than to make a mistake when it comes to dressing up.
Ang ganda ng look. Alam mo, nakakabulabog. Ang cute namin ni Steph. I want that photo.
I'm friends with Steph, and again, it's how you choose to wear your outfits. We had the same bag, the same dress. We had the same hair, but it's how she styled it that made her look Steph, and it's how I styled it that made me look Hearth. Again, yan ang power sa Fashion Week. It's about celebrating your individuality, your authenticity, which makes you look different. Ang ganda talaga ni Kendall Jenner. So nakita namin siya. Ang ganda talaga niya. Sis, mukha akong si Lord of the Rings. Siya yung goddess na matangkad. Let your heart shine, Kendall! Woo!
Kaya siya pinagpala dahil
Kendall fans. Ang sweet niya. Kasi talagang nagsa-science siya. Pero, yun, sinigaw lang namin na dahil mabait siya kaya siya successful. Pag na-reincarnate ako, ma-reach ko din yung level.
Kaya nila ba?
Susuka ako. But I'm happy to be here.
Uy.
It's just the health is kind of failing me at the moment.
Adro at Agus.
Health is wealth.
So, hindi ko alam bakit, pero parang this trip, from landing ko pa lang, nahihilo ako na nasusuka ako. Hindi ako buntis, wag kayong hindi ako talaga mabuntis-buntis. Pero I don't know if it's over fatigue, kulang ng sugar, kulang sa tulog, but every time I wake up, parang ako nasusuka.
Magkakasama kami. Naligaw lang siguro, or hindi na.
Naligaw ng landas.
Yes! Happy birthday! Ano nangyari?
Hindi kami umaalis. Hindi nga kami umaalis dun sa kinalalagyan namin. Nawala ka. Tapos nilalapitan namin pag may kumpulan, si Heart ba yun? Naiyak nga ako eh.
Well, you've made it.
Ako wala pa signal. Pwede sabihin tayo na. Yun na nga, sabotage.
Ako na naman yung masisisi sa lagay na to.
Birthday niya, sana
2
man lang.
versus 1.
Versus 1.
Team tayo dito, di ba? Mag-out na ako sa
Isa pa.
Pagod ako, te.
Okay, we can relax now.
So, ang pinakamaganda, when it's January or when it's this season, it's always somebody's birthday who's in the team. Isa always celebrates her birthday in the best place ever, which is Paris. Hill also celebrates his birthday, nagtutugma sa best place, which is the City of Love, Paris. So, it's always so nice to celebrate that na after working hard, ang backdrop namin, Eiffel Tower. Iba naman din.
Kaya kumanta na rin ako. Kunyari, hindi ko alam. Sige.
Ako na hindi mo alam. Kunyari hindi mo alam.
Jogging. Ah! Oh my God! Birthday pa na.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hillary!
Happy birthday to you.
Good night, good night, guys. Itutulog ko to. Hindi ko na kaya, but I love it. I love it. We're off to Hermes.
Tumatawid na talaga.
My brain has left my body.
Walang-wala to sa akin. Yakang-yaka lang. Change on the set, kayang-kaya. Sa daan tayo nagpapalit.